I'll show you how you can pay with Disney Plus on Google Play. So first off, you are on the Disney Plus app here. You want to click on subscribe up here, right? Now on subscribe up here, just pick whichever one you want. So for example, I want a monthly basic plan. I'm just gonna tap on that basic, right? And then I'm gonna click on continue with basic. And then it'll show a black screen, and then a Google Play pop-up will pop up right here from the bottom, you can see. And now we can pick a payment method, right? So either adding a credit or debit card right here, or you can redeem a code if you have a CapCut, and there's also more options depending on your region. But of course, if you want to add a credit or debit card, add in your card number, your month and year, your security code, and then click on save card, and it'll be charged to your credit and or debit card. If you want to redeem code, like using a gift card, you can enter it here. And then there's a couple of more options depending on your region, like more options here. Like for example, on my regions, there's Toku, GoPay, ShopeePay, Tena, and then buy Google Play credits. Now just pick whichever one of these methods that you want, and then start paying with Google Play on Disney Plus.